Hello, good evening to all. Namaste. My name is Mr. Satish Mahadev Gore. I am a teacher. I am from India. I am going to present my new research. This is my e-presentation for IJSR, International Journal of Science and Research, IJSR, ISSN 2319 7064, ResearchGate Impact Factor 2018 0.28, SJIF 2018 7.426. Volume number 9, issue number 2, February 2020, www.ijsr.net. Licensed under Creative Commons Attribution CC by First Human Being, India Steps on the Mars 2022. First Indian anti-gravity spaceship researched by Mr. Satish Gore sir. Based on Pushpak Viman Valmiki Ramayana, copyright only for ISRO ISRO. 5 stars. Just imagination. First human being. India steps on the Mars 2022. India's first and advanced anti-gravity functional lander system, Ramayana Pushpak Vision, Third Eye. First Indian anti-gravity technology spacecraft Pushpak. First Indian anti-gravity technology spacecraft Pushpak-Yan, Mangalyaan, all steps to 100% success. 100% successfully soft lander system. The Pushpak-Yan spacecraft on the top does not affect any gravitational force of any planets, Mars also. The request by the Indian government to send Mars human being Yan spacecraft. The speed can be reduced to as little as much as desired and increased. The speed can be reduced to as little as much as desired. We can increase. Only India can steps on the Mars first. The entire species of the India. Many congratulations to Prime Minister and Indian scientists for Chandrayaan 2, and India is ready to launch Chandrayaan 3 in November 2020 or later. Indian floral space with a human being. First human being India steps on the Mars 2022. First Indian anti-gravity spaceship researched by Mr. Satish Gore based on Pushpak Viman Valmiki Ramayana. First Indian anti-gravity technology. Martian spacecraft Pushpak. Martian spacecraft Pushpak-Yan will total 50 rockets in the interior. This will be used to speed up and speed down or slow down of the rocket. No gravitational force will be adversely affected on the Martian soft lander spaceship. The speed of the spaceship can be 2 meters per second. We can increase the speed much more and control it. We can create and reduce anti-gravity force by using 10D rocket system, use up to 50 rockets, automatic mode, use radar system, use live telecast system, allow human being write command mode. We can control the speed of spacecraft and change its direction at any time, use automatic computers and robots command system. Spaceship can be size as per designed 10D technology, anti-gravity 50 rocket system, Satyamev Jayate, Jai Hind Jai Bharat, based on Valmiki Ramayana, Newton's law of gravity, myself, Mr. Satish Gore, law of anti-gravity. We can create and reduce anti-gravity force in the space with using 10D technology, anti-gravity 50 rocket systems. Thanks. The first Indian gravity controller anti-gravity rule. The first Indian gravity controller anti-gravity. The first rule of the Satish Mahadev Gore gravitational force is to keep the force of the moving object in the opposite direction in order to control the speed of any moving object. The second law of gravity controller anti-gravity. The second law of gravity anti-gravity of Satish Mahadev Gore is the force should be increased in the opposite direction given to increase the speed. You can do more with the force of the direction of the original direction. The speed can be controlled. The third law of gravity controller of Satish Mahadev Gore. The gravitational force works as well. The opposite gravitational force also works. Anti-gravity forces also works. The law of stability by conquering gravity by anti-gravity applied the same forces over an object is 10 direction. The object remains constant in the sky. Basis Newton's theory of gravity and basis Satish's theory of anti-gravity. F equal to ma. First human being India steps on the Mars 2022. Just imagination. First human being Indian steps on the Mars 2022 or later. India's first advanced anti-gravity functional lander system, Ramayana Pushpak Vision, third eye. We can set up human beings on the Mars at 2022 or later. I think ISRO will surely 100% do this. Best wishes from all India for ISRO to do this work. Author's profile. Author's profile, Mr. Gore Satish Mahadev. Country India. State Maharashtra. Taluka Kej, District Bid. Village Bansarola. Pin code 431518. Mobile number +917709673626. Email ID goresatisham@gmail.com. goresatisham@gmail.com. Value number 9. Issue number 2. February 2020. www.ijsr.net. Licensed under Creative Commons Attribution CC by paper ID SR 202061917702 DOI 10.21275/SR 202061917702 www.ijsr.net. Thanks IJSR to give me a chance to present my experiment. ISSN online 23/19/70/64. This is snapshot of my article which was published in IJSR. The name of the article is Research is First Human Being India Steps on the Mars 2022 first Indian anti-gravity spaceship. This is my research certificate given by IJSR website, International Journal of Science and Research. Certificate of publication. This is to certify that paper ID SR 2020-619-1702. First human being. India steps on the Mars 2022. First Indian anti-gravity spaceship. Authored by Satish Gore, has been published in volume number 9, issue number 2, February 2020 in International Journal of Science and Research IJSR. The mentioned paper is measured up to the required standards with stamp Editor-in-Chief IJSR. Upgrading Model 10D soft lander spaceship is universal for all planets. This is for Chandrayaan 3 also. This is for Martian also. This is for Earthian also. Any planet. This is planet Mars, and we are going to land on the Mars with human being at 2022 or later. This is cover page of IJSR. ISRO logo. Thanks for watching my video silently, and watch this video again, and please like my video. Thanks to listen.